Good evening and welcome everybody to another episode of GED Mathematics with Omar Imhotep Ramses II Lyons. Thank you for joining us. I hope you can see the full screen. Hello. Here's our phone number at the top. Area code 718-915-6011. And of course our email address, if you'd like to email us, is omarlyons123@gmail.com. Again, our phone number is area code 718-915-6011, and our email address is omarlyons123@gmail.com. So today we're going to look at some simple fraction exercises. Okay, so today we're going to look at, for instance, trying to find which fraction is largest. Alright, so we have a few fractions here that we can look at. The first one is 5 out of 8. The second one is 11 out of 20. And the third one is 1 out of 2. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering where my assistant Jabrion is, she's busy teaching another class. Okay. Alright, so 5 out of 8, 11 out of 20, 1 out of 2. So which one is largest? Which fraction is largest? Well, let's see. The first thing we want to do is to get all the fractions on the same level, on the same playing field, in terms of the denominator. Okay? So the denominator is going to help us determine which fraction is the largest. So let's find the lowest common denominator. Now, again, a recommendation is to start with the bigger or biggest of the numbers and do multiples of that. Alright, so let's start with 20. Can we use 20? Well, we know that 20 can go into 20, that's fine. But can 8 go into 20 without leaving a remainder? Probably not. And how about 2? Can 2 go into 20 without leaving a remainder? Yes, that's fine. But we have an issue with the 8. So let's go to a multiple of 20. Let's try 40. Alright, 40 might work. 8 can go into 40, 20 can go into 40, and 2 can go into 40. So this is going to be transformed into the following. Something over 40, something over 40, and something over 40, right? So, what did we multiply this 8 by to get 40? We multiplied this 8 by 5. Therefore, we're also going to multiply this 5 by 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25, yes? Now, what did we have to multiply this 20 by to get 40? 20 times 2 is 40, so therefore, we also multiply 11 times 2, which is going to give us how much? 22. Then, what did we multiply this 2 by to get 40? 2 times 20 equals 40. So therefore, 1 times 20 is what? 20. So now we have a level playing field in terms of the denominator. So which one of these fractions now looks the largest? You guessed it, or you figured it out. 25 out of 40, right? If you have 40 pieces and one person gets 25, right, as opposed to somebody else getting 22 or 20, well, who got the most? The person that got the 25 out of 40 got the most. The most of the pie or the most of the pieces, right? So therefore, it's easier to distinguish then between the fractions and determine which one is the largest when you put them on a common level playing field in terms of the denominator. All right, so that's our session for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Again, this is Omar Imhotep Ramses II Lyons, and thank you so much for joining us. Feel free to schedule a session with us. We're here in Central Texas, in Killeen, sometimes in Austin, sometimes in Houston. As a matter of fact, sometimes we're in different states. Sometimes we're in Florida and New York too. So, but anyway, please give us a call at 718-915-6011, or you can email us at omarlyons123@gmail.com if you have questions or if you'd like to schedule a consultation or a session. Thanks again, and until next time, practice your mathematics. Have a good day. Bye-bye.